It's Jesus Venegas. Back with another video, aka Jesse Boy. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how my padrino works. He's cooking some carne. Let's see, boys. So we're gonna go. So look at that. Hey, look at me. I'm doing the YouTube video.
What's the title? How to get back?
Bro, be quiet, dude. Yeah, guys, so we're doing a YouTube video, and look, it's all dark right there, guys. Well, you see that? They have like a mini arcade here. So yeah, guys, the mini's up there. So yeah, so we're gonna be, yeah, guys. So in my early videos, I think you saw how I made the slime. So I'm taking mine out. Here's my slime. See it? See my slime? So yeah, you guys see my slime. Zoom that in. You guys see that slime though? Guys, that's up to my slime. I don't know. Yeah, guys, so that's gonna be end of the video. Yeah, because mostly I've been look at it. Yeah, guys, there's just 7-Eleven over there. Yeah, guys, so yeah. Peace out, guys.